Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Sacred Sabbath Day. Good evening, my little roadies, and thank you for joining us for another Christmas story evening. Tonight's story is called Long Ago on a Silent Night. The author is Julie Berry and the illustrator is Annie Wen. And this seemed like a really kind of a nice story to share, and so let's begin. The pictures were very nice as well. Okay, here are the pictures. First page. Oops, sorry for the glare. And it says, long ago and far away, a baby was born on Christmas Day. Shepherds knelt and the angels sang, till the night sky with rejoicing rang. This wonder was seen by a lucky few. I see a miracle in you. Let's try this side, see if it works better. Long ago, in a dusty barn, a mother took a child in her arms, wrapped him snug, made his bed in the hay. He was her gift that Christmas Day. There's no sweeter gift than a life so new. My best gift, little one, is you. Long ago, at her child's first cry, a mother sang a lullaby. Sleep, little angel, sleep, little lamb. When you need comfort, here I am. I will always watch over you. Hush, little babe, I'll sing it too. What a sweet story of a mother talking to her baby. Long ago, with scarcely a sound, the stable's animals gathered around, hoof and feather, hide and beak. Some say the animals began to speak. Their love for the child, could it be true? We will whisper our love to you. Long ago, on a still, silent night, travelers followed a new star's light, bearing gifts of love to welcome a child who would one day calm a tempest wild and teach mercy and gentleness as he grew. Long ago at a temple door, Simeon and Anna paced the floor, awaiting a glimpse of a promised son, a prince of peace, a chosen one. Before you came, our family knew it was worth the wait to welcome you. Oh, these are pretty pictures. Long ago, so the carols sing, was born to a maiden, an infant king, with the sky for a palace, the earth for a throne, the hills and the rivers his treasures to own. Through your eyes the skies shine a deeper blue. Treasure of mine, you make all things new. Long ago, as day following day, this baby grew in the usual way, watched and rocked and taught and fed, washed and dressed and tucked into bed. Sorry for the giggles in the background. Those are the kids having fun. We have Alice sleeping over tonight, and they're just having a giggling time. We're blessed in the simplest things we do. You return the love we give to you. I really enjoy these pictures. They're very nice. Long ago at that sacred birth, a piece of heaven fell to earth to light the world and spread God's peace, bringing hope and help that would never cease. From the moment I held you, child, I knew you came straight from heaven too. That's so sweet. Not long ago, in a nearby place, was given to me a gift of grace. All my hopes, my joy, my heart's desire, your sweet voice is my angel choir. Wondrous, holy, strange, and true, little one, my miracle is you. Very nice, and that's the back page. Just to share one little miracle with you from my story. We had problems conceiving after our first child, not knowing that I had endometriosis. We were told later on throughout the years that my condition was so bad that I really shouldn't have been able to get pregnant the first time. And so our oldest daughter, our only biological daughter, is truly a miracle in our lives. And we thank God every day that we have her. And sweet Alice, who I talk about a lot, is her daughter. And we just really appreciate all that she brings into our life and joy. And Summer thinks that she's just the cat's meow. They just love each other so much and just love playing together. So that's our miracle story, and thanks for staying around and listening, and we'll see you next time. We'll probably have another story out for tomorrow, now that this is the last few days before Christmas, that we'll try and get another story out for tomorrow. And thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the road. Merry Christmas.